Hi, my name is Esther van Maanen. I'm a makeup artist and a hairstylist, and this is my wavy hair tutorial. To create this look, I use the working hairspray, scrunchie, brush and a curling iron. I start by sectioning my hair, creating a quick top bun with a scrunchie, leaving the bottom part out. A little bit of hairspray, and shaking of course is not necessary at all, but we couldn't cut that out of the video anymore. Then spray again, making sure I keep a good distance so the distribution of the product is even. Then my curling iron, twisting my hair around the tongue, leaving the ends out. Then I'm parting my next section, creating a quick top bun and leaving that section down. Spray some working hairspray and I turn my curling iron back in, making sure all hair gets the heat it needs to create this wavy texture. Take the hair out and let it cool off. Ideal distance to spray is using the length of the can as a guide, making sure you have a good hold and heat protection from all over. Did you know that heat protection ensures that your hair is well protected from mechanical heat up to 230 degrees Celsius? Very important! By leaving the ends out, ensures you create that gorgeous imperfect wavy finish instead of the standard glam waves, which I like a lot, as I'm not a fan of any princess curls in my face. Repeat this technique until you have curled all your hair. I just loosen the waves with my hands before I gently brush my hair out. Always start at the ends and work your way up. As a final touch, finish with some more working hairspray. Your hair will be set but flexible and protected against humidity. Very important if you made this effort to have beautiful hair, right? As a variation, I like my hair full but not too neat, so I love using the Nymph Salt Spray. And yes, now you can shake before use. Only a little bit. Spray with care to make sure you don't use too much. It's a wet spray and you don't want to overdo it. As you can see, the Nymph Salt Spray gives my hair even more texture and volume, exactly how I like it. Try this yourself, have fun with it, and thank you for watching.